Was it worth all the fortune and fame? All the girls never walking the same. Signed a paper so he never has to ever say sorry. Lost myself at a diddy party.
Clear to ten vine chi baila mek ule tun tuma chuan Hollywood khovela thuruk in thup turu lutuk tun lai la re me mei chung chang kan soinga Justin Bieber la lonely kha kan hrianga kala kha hun lai chuan tu man om zeril tak tak kan hrelo a phua chan po kan hrelem lowa ma se anuna thuruk in thup turu lutuk tleirol kum som pangami le kan hilaya anun zong zong khoi chatu chung chang soina le kalo nia puan chuana lo ni zo kani
I lace the track, you lock the flow. So far from hanging on the block for dough. Notorious, they got to know that life ain't always what it seems to be. Words can't express what you mean to me, even though you.
Pap diddy chu kan thewanga I'll be missing you la lar tuk mai mangin khovela deng chuaga tunlai hun thlengin ala larani khala kha ma se hetia kan hral hriat mai aian Hollywood khovel hi lo chop me mai lo nia Justin Bieber kha kumsom pangami lekan hi lai khan rapper lar asar nen khan tron contract kan saina ma se asar chuan Pap Diddy ne na lan chong ta ni ngatinge kan ti chuan asar poi Pap Diddy hian lo khoi chato boka asar hi Pap Diddy khan a thunun ti na ni chu tuna hian Pap Diddy zela tang me ka trial ala nei don chawa an boina hian kai noenga lutuka thurwal puite zong zong a puan chua chuan music industry chu boi nuai mai theini tun ma dewa kan soichin Illuminati kan ti mai secret society kan ti angkha alawom tak takani mela Pap Diddy hi chu a velek chawan la ti zo kani ril ruwa zona om thaya mana thil theng ni si tinge tuna chawan soi ti mai thaya khangun lai khan Pap Diddy hian a blackmail ti na ni ya Justin Bieber kha lo veu bet char ti na ni Pap Diddy nu pui lui ama assistant ni bok Kim Porter khana diary a ziaga Pap Diddy an gay party throwa ta chuan tleiro lar tak pani po an tel veya chu mai la ni lo video in a cover bok tin a diary phek som ruka aziaga Kim Porter chuan a thi mai na thian nai tak ne na diary chu pe ya ti chuan tu na ron dar ta ni Kim Porter kha pneumonia wangin a borala mitam tak ril ruwa zona oma ramchang kanga khatiang pneumonia wang mai boral khan oi theilowa diddy hi ain nam hnoi nge yan ring tat ni chu mai ala ni lova Pap Diddy hian party ama island love island ti ten soi thina a khata khanin party a thoboka ta chon milarte tam taka soma politician te film star rang ti chon drakin a rai ruya mi pat mai chian nan manglai te po video omvek ni nan soi bok ma se video e roi chu mu thai ani chi lova chu video chu darknet lama millions zangai na hral ti ten soi om bok ani tunai Pap Diddy na hian police ten an cheka an mu chu chu dildo sex toy kan ti MIZO sari chuang an mana tin Johnson baby oil bur sang khat chuang an man bok ani kan soita ang khan Pap Diddy hian ama chawin heng thil hi tilawa thurwal puya nei ti chianga nimin maya kan zai thiam lar pinkin a Twitter lama ama account mi thian fire post zong a delete veka chu tiang bokin a sort pon an Twitter account na an thil post an delete veka midang Megan Fox kan ti te point ti khain thian fire a chan hi enge soi theilen chi alova chuyan hlaw nge ti chu tu man kan hri lawa a big takin Bieber hi a tour na saber polania a hlalon lia hian a ma anga hlim to lo thule hunin alati dam mang tin be sei ma se khathil khan min ti hlum mek zogani ti ten soyani an video kan en hian diddy hian darkar somli pariat chung hunan mandun tur thu soya hemi video hi tunlai chu viral na sa maya mitam tak chon engtin nge nu le pa ta hian mi hrang bula darkar somli pariat top hunan man tir thei tin Justin nu le pa ta hin dem luai mai ni
we can't really disclose but it's definitely a 15-year-old's dream you know I have been given custody of him you know he signed to Usher I had legal guardianship of Usher when you know he did his first album I did Usher's first album I don't have legal guardianship of him but for the next 48 hours he's with me so and we gonna go full crazy
I'm going
crazy
I'm taking this out tonight.
What you want to do over the next 48 hours
48 hours let's go let's just go get some girls let's go hang with some girls
Han ngai tua chian chuan Justin Bieber anun lo shom tur zia le soi chuat chak soi ngam si lova anun lo man thin dan tur de kha rap thlak ani tin mi tam takin a sar hin dem boka American zai thiam lar Jaguar ride ni na soi dan chuan diddy hian Justin ni control atum char chara thei lova ti chuan a sar ra in rolta ti chuan Justin chu darkar somli pariat pap diddy nen hunan mangta ni tin soi
And then Usher came in and discovered it and managed him and got custody of him and promised to look after him. And then he sent him to the diddler. Does that sound like a good guy?
It's horrible.
Does that sound like a good guy? Now that we know what Diddy's really like. They're not seeing what the intentions was in his heart when he took Justin Bieber there.
Oh.
Let's be honest.
Hey lo poi di hian Love Island na party tho chungchang soi tur tam hle maya tuna hian sex trafficking le blackmail chungchanga FBI te Homeland Security Department te bank le financial institution te po ain nam hoi vek ni nan soya dot le thuleng wak po tam khop mayang po ni se chanchini lo thil zel photeyang